Hello everyone, we are doing a series on ChatGPT and today we are going to talk about 7 ways you can use ChatGPT. Generative Pre-trained Transformer is a language generation model developed by OpenAI, as you know. It uses machine learning techniques to generate natural language text that is difficult to distinguish from text written by humans. And if you want to know more about how to get started for free or what is it, how accurate it is, how smart it is, you can see my playlist right here. I will link it also in the description. I have created videos around all these topics, but in today's specific video, we are going to talk about 7 ways in which you can use ChatGPT for your advantage. So you can use it as a chatbot. So if you are a brand and if you have a website, you can use ChatGPT to build chatbots that can hold natural language conversations with your user who are coming to your website or who are coming to your app. This can be useful for customer service. You wouldn't need as many humans as you would need earlier. So a chatbot can smartly converse with your consumer and answer the specific queries that they may have. This can be useful for information gathering or just providing entertainment or helping your customer buy the product. Second way is for content generation. And I have just yesterday done a series on, is ChatGPT going to take away content writers' role or jobs? Do check it out. I'll again link it. ChatGPT can be very effectively used for content writing. Of course, it needs a lot of human assistance, a lot of context building. It is not as smart to function completely on its own, but with the right set of human working on it, it can generate wonderful results. Another very smart use case could be in education, where ChatGPT could be used as a language model itself because it can predict the right sequence of word. So, for example, if I write incorrect spelling of example and I just leave it at EXAMPL, then it can predict the correct spelling E, which can mean a lot of things. So if you want to do proofreading using ChatGPT, you can do it. You can correct educational papers. You can find out gaps in writing. Basically, you can do a lot more when it comes to content writing using ChatGPT. Another bit for which I have used it, if you have a long article, say you are reading an HBR article which is very long and you want a short summary, you will not find this short summary easily on internet. So you can go ahead, copy paste content on ChatGPT and ask it to summarize it for you or make it pithy for you, and it will just do its magic. Another bit that's super exciting is language translation. Just like Google Translation, you can translate one language to another. It is not as effective. Of course, it would need some human intervention for accuracy purposes, but by all means, it is in a much usable format now. Another very smart thing you can do with ChatGPT, and our point number 6 is you can use it for sentiment analysis. Now, earlier we marketers used to use sentiment analysis paid tools to do to understand sentiment from a particular social media post or comments or such that. However, you can just feed in into ChatGPT, and that sentiment analysis can be done even via the free model which is available on the website chat.openai.com/chat. There also you can go and try and do some sentiment analysis, put some angry comments of customer or put some kind of article and then ask it to do sentiment analysis of the same. So it's very fun thing to go and check. And last but not the least, you can use it as a content writer. You feed in some kind of content and give it a brief, just how you would give it to your agency. You ask ChatGPT to make it more engaging, or write a paragraph and ask ChatGPT to correct English, or write a paragraph and ask ChatGPT to make it more witty, and it will do all of these things to your content. So that's very, very cool. These are some top 7 use cases that are very much in marketing and business you can use. If you have any more use cases, do comment and let me know. A bonus use case is also you can ask GPT to generate codes for you. So, for example, if you want a website development code and you give it the right command, it will give you code. So, yeah, uh, whatever commands you can come up with related to language, pretty much everything ChatGPT will be able to do with some level of accuracy. It's a very fun tool. Do check it out. I'll again link it in comments. Do try it out and check out the playlist. Bye bye.